FerryPAL features advanced maintenance, dry dock planning, and meticulous crew management modules. Proactive safety, insurance, inspection, audit, and certification, backed by data analysis and seamless reporting. Streamlined management of technical inventories and financial operations to enhance efficiency and control. Adoption of paperless processes and digital transformation for operational efficiency and sustainability. Optimize vessel operations by analyzing fleet performance insights and analytics. Unified management of seafarers, wages, hiring, and payroll processes for a seamless maritime flow. Crewing. Centralized database of seafarer profiles, schedules, and activities on board and ashore. Payroll. Automated crew contract and wage distribution management. Sea roster. Analyze work and rest hour schedule to reduce fatigue on board. New applicant. Quickly manage seafarer applications and recruitment processes. Ticketing. Travel management solution for travel agents and their customers. From safety to certificates, we've got your fleet's compliance covered. HSEQ, a complete integrated system focusing on maritime compliance and regulations to ensure safety at sea and ashore. QDMS, Ship-to-Shore Integrated Document Management System, offering quality documentation, survey records, and data for HSEQ operations. Certification, catalog certification documents and survey records to ensure safe operation of vessels under management. Smart procurement meets real-time accounting. Accounts, centralized management of financial accounting data. Financial reporting, verify and publish financial reports with multi-level approvals. Procurement, simplifies purchasing by managing vendors, contracts, and inventory with seamless workflow integration. eConnect, web-based maritime e-commerce platform for real-time buyer-vendor collaboration with quotes, tracking, invoicing, chat, and automated purchase-to-pay. I2P, cognitive automation for invoice processing with bot scanning, extracting, and validating data for a fast, error-free workflow, simplifying complex vessel upkeep into a precise, compliant operation. Maintenance, proactively tracks vessel assets and parts, configurable to class and manufacturer requirements. Dry dock, a comprehensive, standardized system for managing all dry dock planning and operations. Smart Logs digitalizes vessel logbooks for IMO compliance, featuring e-signatures, secure storage, and automated validation via web and mobile apps. Live Fleet, track, monitor, and communicate with your vessel anywhere, anytime. SmartOps optimizes fleet performance with real-time analytics, boosting efficiency and compliance while supporting greener operations. OceanOpt offers comprehensive emissions management and advisory services, supporting key compliance requirements like CII, EU EETS, Fuel EU, and MRV DCS. AI-driven integrations to boost crew optimization, vessel reliability, and decision-making on board and ashore. FerryPAL simplifies crewing, compliance, and dry dock planning. Cloud-based and mobile, it powers your crew and future-proofs your fleet. FerryPAL, empowering crew, future-proofing your fleet.